Well, hello there and welcome to a how-to video on how to make your very own uncrusted sandwiches. And here's everything that you'll need to make your sandwiches. Now, normally I would go with a cheaper bread, but this was buy one get one, so I had to pick this up today. The cheaper bread is a little bit more like what you'll find in the frozen section when you go to buy these pre-made sandwiches. But yeah, I just had to go with this. Now I have the link to this specific cutter in the description area of this video, and what I like about this one is because it's made with plastic and not metal or anything, it's also safe for children to use. So you and your children can make sandwiches together. But there's all sorts of designs of this same sort of cutter out there. You can look on Amazon just to see exactly what kind of cutter you'd like. If you would like a metal one for a more cleaner edge, go ahead and do that, but this is also safe for kids. Now with this specific cutter, the first thing it tells you to do is separate the two pieces. Now you have one that just cuts the circle, that's what this piece is, and then you have another piece that seals the edges. So we're gonna put our cutter down here, and this is the biggest size that they have. Now the link in the description area of this video with this specific cutter has other sizes as well, so you can make a smaller sandwich, because with this bigger one it leaves a bit of the crust on there, so we can cut that off. But yeah, we don't want any of that crust on there. Now what I like to do with the leftover edges of the bread is to let it sit out, get some air to it, and then use it for bread pudding. So you don't have to waste that bread. We're gonna put our peanut butter and jelly, or our cheese and meat, or whatever you wanna put on the inside. You can even do Nutella, that'd be delicious. But basically just spreading it around, and you don't wanna get too close to the edge there, or it'll all come out the sides. But I like a nice little bit of peanut butter on my sandwich. Now you don't have to freeze these once you're done making them. Freezing just prolongs the life of the bread so it doesn't get all moldy, and the ingredients on the inside as well. But if you want to make a bunch of these ahead of time, you can go ahead, make a bunch, and then freeze them. Excuse me. All right, now it's time for the next and final step. We're gonna take our sealer piece after we have put the ring back around the sandwich, and then we're gonna press. And this is what gives you that nice closed edge. But I think that's really what makes these sandwiches so good, is the fact, yeah, it has no crust, but also you get that nice texture of that edge, that sealed edge. Just I don't know how to describe that nice chewy texture you get on the edge with the bread. But I think that's it, you guys. And I think we are about done, so we can take this piece off, then this, and look at that! You can't even tell the difference. Did I buy this at the store, or did I just make it? And then look at the back. All right, cool, cool. But yeah, and you get that really nice chewy texture. Oh, it's so delicious. But yeah, if you use the thicker bread like this, it often cracks. So yeah, that thinner bread often works best with this stuff. But yeah, now we got a delicious sandwich. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this little how-to video. And if you get around to making these sandwiches, feel free to share a photo or video with me of you and your family making these together. Like I said, thank you so much for watching this video. I truly enjoyed making this one for you guys. Always enjoy making these videos for you guys, and I hope you stay tuned for more. Bye!